Welcome. Today I'm excited to introduce the Seiko 5 Automatic 7S26-0490, a true vintage gem. Let's explore its design, functionality, and timeless appeal. This watch features a sleek black dial with gold tone hands and indices, exuding understated elegance. Powered by Seiko's legendary 7S26 automatic movement with 21 jewels, it ensures smooth and reliable performance. The day and date function works seamlessly, automatically updating every 24 hours despite the manual button being non-functional. The bold black dial and polished stainless steel case create a refined, classic look. Every detail, from the indices to the hands, reflects Seiko's dedication to quality and precision. Now let's talk about how to set this watch effectively. To adjust the time, gently pull the crown out to the second position and turn it clockwise or counterclockwise until you reach the desired time. The smooth movement of the hands reflects the watch's impeccable mechanics. The day and date indicators update automatically every 24 hours, keeping you on track with minimal effort. While the manual adjustment button isn't functional, the automatic mechanism ensures accuracy as long as the watch is in use. Pro tip: avoid making adjustments between 9 p.m. and 3 a.m. to protect the movement, as this is when the gears are actively engaged in changing the day and date. Let's explore the magic beneath the surface, the heartbeat of this remarkable timepiece. The Seiko 5 Automatic is a self-winding watch, meaning it draws its energy from the movement of your wrist. It's a living, breathing machine that comes to life as you wear it. The 21 jewels within the movement minimize friction, enhancing its accuracy and longevity. It's a testament to the brilliance of mechanical watchmaking. No need for batteries. This is a sustainable and elegant solution to keeping time. For those who truly appreciate the artistry behind mechanical watches, let's take a deeper look inside the Seiko 5 Automatic and examine the movement. As we carefully open the case, we're greeted by a pristine, well-maintained mechanism that looks as clean and flawless as the day it was made. It's a remarkable sight, showing just how well this watch has been preserved over the years. Despite its age, this timepiece remains in excellent condition, running smoothly with precision. Inside, we find the celebrated 7S26 caliber, a movement that has become iconic in the world of mechanical watches. Known for its durability and reliability, the 7S26 has earned its reputation as a workhorse in Seiko's lineup. This movement is revered not just for its performance, but for its simplicity and robustness. It's designed to stand the test of time, delivering accurate timekeeping year after year. Looking closer, you can see the intricate network of gears, each one finely crafted and working together in harmony. These gears form the heart of the watch, transmitting energy from the mainspring and powering the hands with exceptional accuracy. The oscillating balance wheel, which swings back and forth, ensures the precise regulation of time. The balance wheel's motion is smooth and rhythmic, keeping the watch running with consistency. Every part of the movement, from the gears to the balance wheel, plays a crucial role in ensuring that the watch functions as a reliable timekeeper. Thank you for exploring the vintage Seiko 5 Automatic 7S26-0490 with me. This timepiece stands as a symbol of exceptional design, functionality, and the legacy it carries. If you enjoyed this showcase, don't forget to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to Sahsa for more stories from the fascinating world of watches. More exciting showcases are on the way, so stay tuned. Until next time, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.